Hi, my name is Svanlaug Einarsdóttir and I am the head of digital transformation at Air Atlanta. Air Atlanta is a 39-year-old leasing and charter airline, which means we rent airplanes and crew to other airlines across the world. At first, we started working with 50 skills because our processes were overflowing with manual work. So many people doing the same repetitive tasks again and again and again, and we're not a young company, so it's always this, we're just used to doing things this way. So we started out with the HR department, which developed the onboarding processes, and we were so quick to see that we could use the tool for so many more processes. So that is our vision right now, is to teach all our employees that are willing and able to use the tool so that we can improve all of our processes and make our company more efficient. Analyzing processes is something that everybody should be able to do. It kind of reminds me like when we were starting to use Excel. It's kind of the same feeling. It's changing how we work. And after analyzing a lot of automation tools, we could see that its user experience was so good and it provided us with so easy to understand how to use it. So seeing we are a big company and we were looking at having to teach a lot of people how to use the tool, because we want all our employees to be able to use automation tools, just like we want all of our employees to be able to use Excel. So we saw that as an opportunity that this would be a good tool to start teaching our employees about automation. It has been so good working with 50 Skills. They have been so supportive, helped us along the way, taking every step that we need, and so quick to answer our questions that it makes it so easy for us to build our journeys.